You are welcome to class again today. This is lesson 16. Today we are going to solve time problems involving whole hours and a half hour. So after this lesson, you are going to say, I can solve time problems involving whole hours and a half hour. So today we are going to use our clock. Today we are going to make use of our clock. So please get a clock with you there. So if you don't have a clock there, pause the video, quickly get a clock. Thank you. Now let's take a look at application problem. On Saturdays, Jane may only watch cartoons for 1 hour. Her first cartoon lasts 14 minutes and the second lasts 28 minutes. After a 5-minute break, Jane watches a 15-minute cartoon. So how much time does Jane spend watching cartoons? Did she break a time limit? Now, what is our time limit? A time limit is what? It's only to watch cartoon for how many? Yes, for 1 hour. And 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? Yes, 1 hour is 60 minutes. So we are going to sing your minute time together now. 60 minutes make 1 hour. Okay? 60 minutes make 1 hour. Now 60 seconds make 1 minute. And 60 minutes make 1 hour. Okay? 24 hours make what? 1 day. Okay, that's beautiful. Now we are looking for how much time he spent watching cartoon. What's the first time there? Yes, her first cartoon lasts for how many minutes? 40 minutes. The second lasts for 28 minutes. And the last one lasts for 15 minutes. So quickly pause the video and add this time together. Add them together. 14 minutes plus 28 minutes plus 15 minutes. Go. Pause the video now. Pick up your writing material. Quickly solve it. And put down your answer. Okay, you are welcome back now. 15 plus 28 plus 14 is 57 minutes. Hope you got that. If you got 57, please give yourself a sound clap. Beautiful. So he spent how many minutes watching cartoon? 57 minutes. Now, did she break a time limit? Remember, our time limit is 1 hour, which is how many minutes? 60 minutes. So did she break her time limit? No. She still have how many minutes more? Yes, she has 3 minutes more. Okay, so she did not break her time limit. Her time limit is 60, and she watched for 57 minutes. Beautiful. Now, Kapana gets up at 7 a.m. She leaves the house at 7:30 a.m. How long does it take her to get ready? How long? Watch your screen. The clock is right there on your screen. He wakes up, he gets up at 7 a.m. and she leaves the house at 7:30. So she spent how many minutes getting ready? Yeah, she spent 30 minutes. Okay? Yes. From your clock, the minute hand moved from 12 to 6. And remember, 6 is what? 30. So she spent 30 minutes getting ready. Are you with your clock there? Okay. Now, Tony gets boiling on Saturday at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Is it 2 p.m. in the midnight or 2 p.m. in the afternoon? Yes, afternoon. PM is what? Afternoon. Okay. He gets home at 9 p.m. He goes bowling on Saturday at 2 p.m. and he gets home at 9 p.m. How long did he stay out? So move your minute hand now. Start moving your hand. How many times will you go round from 2 to 9? How many hours will it take from 2 to 9? Okay, now we are going to count. When the hour gets to 3, that is 1 hour, 4, 2 hours, 5, 3 hours, 6, 4 hours, 7, 5 hours, 8, 6 hours, 9, 7 hours. So he stay out for 7 hours. Or you can simply minus 2 from 7, 2 from 9 to get your 7 hours. So how long did he stay out? He stayed out for 7 hours. Okay, now let's take a look at this. The students arrive at the museum at 10 a.m. and they leave at 2 p.m. So how long are the students at the museum? Okay, go to your work clock now. They arrive at the museum at what? 10 a.m. Now take your minute hand and your hour hand to 10 o'clock. Quickly. Now start turning it. How many turns will you turn the minute hand round and round to 12, and keep turning until the hour hand gets to 2 o'clock, and you count your hours. Okay, we are using our clock to tell how long. So pause the video and quickly do that. Thank you. Now when you count from 10 to 12 is how many hours? From 10 to 12 is 2 hours. Yes. Then from 12 o'clock again to 2 o'clock, which is 2 p.m. is how many hours again? Is 2 hours. So altogether from 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock, you get how many hours there? Yes, you get 4 hours. So how long are the students at the museum? 4 hours. Good. Now let's take a look at this. A movie starts at 11:30 a.m. It finishes at 1:30 p.m. How long does the movie last? So you are with your clock there? Yes, I know. So now move your minute hand and your hour hand to 11:30. So how many turns will it take you? How many turns will it take you to get to 1:30 p.m.? So please pause the video and quickly practicalize and do that. Okay. Thank you and welcome back. So from 11:30 to 12:30 is what? 1 hour. And from 12:30 to 1:30 is 1 hour. So from 11:30 to 1:30 is how many hours now? It will become what? 2 hours. So how long does the movie last? It lasts for 2 hours, because from 11:30 to 1:30 is 2 hours. What a beautiful lesson. Now let's take a look at this clock. Beth goes to bed at 8 p.m. She wakes up at 3:30 a.m. to go to the airport. How much time did she sleep? Pause the video, please, and work it out with your clock. He goes to bed at 8 p.m. and she wakes up at 3:30 a.m. So please pause the video. From 8 o'clock to 3:30, what is the time? Okay. Now from 8 to 9 is how many hours? 1 hour. When it gets to 10, 2 hours. When it gets to 11, 3 hours. 12, 4 hours. 1 is 5 hours. When the hour gets to 2 is what? 6 hours. When it gets to 3 is what? 7 hours. When it gets to 3:30, it becomes 7 hours, 30 minutes. So, how much time did she sleep? She slept for 7 hours, 30 minutes. Did you get that right? Yes, I know you do. Okay, she slept for 7 hours, 30 minutes, or 7.5 hours. Now we have two clocks showing 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Remember I said 8 a.m. is what? In the morning. While 8 p.m. is what? In the night. Okay? So between the hour of 12 midnight and 12 noon is a.m. Remember, between the hour of 12 noon and 12 midnight is what? p.m. So look at these two clocks now. One is showing a.m. and the other one is showing p.m. Are these clocks showing the same time or different time? Yeah, they are showing the same time. 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock. But there is a difference. The difference is one is in the morning and the other one is in the night. One is a.m. and the other one is p.m. But the time are the same. Wow, what a beautiful lesson. I know you have learned so much in this lesson. So, it is nice having you in this class. So, thank you. I love you. Bye.